Hi, this is Becky of Miss B Group Travel. Throughout the month of February, I will be doing daily 2-minute clips and tips on travel. Today, we're talking about the travel wash bag or a hanging travel bag. Which one is better? Let's discuss. So, if this is your first time with us, please do consider subscribing for more great tips. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for joining us. If you're an avid traveler like myself, I would say, that then you're used to seeing a couple of these. Some airlines do still give them out on long haul if you're in business class or premium economy, whatever the case may be. But now more than ever, you see the airline industry is cutting down on a lot of things. So I actually came across one of my old, this is from China Southern, toiletry bag. Now, this is a bit different to the hanging toiletry bag, which will have a lot more items that you can put in and put in your suitcase. But the toiletry bag is something that if you're on a long haul or even a short haul, you can put little things in there such as, you know, your face mask, a toothbrush, tooth comb and toothpaste. However, I will say this is toothpaste that we got from the airline, but you can always buy your own toothpaste because they have got expiry dates. You can always have your own toothpaste that you purchase, small one, and put it in there, a travel toothpaste before you travel. Why? Because it will save you money than trying to buy a few of these items at the airport if you need any. And most of the things that you can put in a small little travel case will most probably be under the 100 mils that's required by the airline. So that just kind of helps you to keep it in check, okay? Again, as soon as you book your holiday, put it in your calendar a month before you're due to travel. Check that all your toiletries and everything are in order. I have a bag that I just keep just for those reasons, and I don't use it for any other reason except flying, and except when I have to fly and I'm going away. That way it helps to keep my my regular essentials in there. The travel hanging bag, I will do another quick review about it, but this is a different thing. So I just wanted to illustrate the difference of what you can put in these, and very deceptive because it's bigger, and just a tip on what to do and how to carry your little plain packing bag. Take care and see you tomorrow.